a big who we are today in the world with Miss Ella. Yes, so calling our KOLs, our VIPs to come up here in our event. But now we will be moving on with a couple of games for all our guests. Not sure, but because our first game is quite easy. It is gonna be called yung Fashion and we will be also needing 6 people to participate in this. Our 6 participants, nasan po sila? Our 6 participants.
Okay, now that it's summer, it's the perfect season to play around with colors, with hues, with textures, and I think for this kasi parang medyo mas naging vibrant yung colors ko. And at the same time, I really affects the season. And I think really for me, kasi my sense of fashion really depends on my mood. And this is me now. So I think that's what makes it different, and it's so beautiful because I get to express myself through this collection. Parang mas hindi na ako takot to explore colors, you know? Diba? Kasi, di ba gusto ngayon yung parang what do you call that? Color analysis, diba? So parang now, I get to play with my like yung color analysis, mag-play ako yung different kinds of design. So it's so nice now that I get to do that, and I'm mas confident na ako. I love it. This collection really reminds me of flowers. Yeah, I just yeah, and it's so light, it's colored, it's vibrant, and I think that's my state of mind now. It's just really vibrant, and hopefully through this collection I get to inspire people to bloom. Wow, yes, and to also dress up as, you know, as vibrant as they want to, and be comfortable with what they're wearing. So I hope I get to inspire them through this collection. For me po, getting into fashion, I think thinking lang ako, mahilig lang ako. Maarte po kasi akong bata. Okay lang. Mahilig talaga ako mag-dress up, mag-style. Dati nga, alam mo yung mga paper dolls? Yes. Like, gumagawa ko lang before with my mom. So, I really empowered me before I used to dress them up. So, I'm really into fashion growing up. And also because of my stylist, Miss Adrian Concepcion. She really inspired me to dress better and to, like, you know, just put myself out there, don't be scared to dress up the way I want to. So, I think that's me, like, being more, you know, self-aware and confident in terms of that. Honestly, before pa nila ako po, I really miss Shein all the time, most especially during the pandemic.
Ilang hours ka?
Ilang hours na ba naman ang part ko. So, they're very supportive in terms of, you know, curating these outfits with me. And it's so nice because I get to, you know, with the variety of clothes, so Shein, of shoes, everything is there. It's so nice that I get to play around. Just through my phone, diba? And anyone can do that. So they're really supportive in terms of this collection. And I just want to thank my Shein family, of course, for giving me this opportunity to curate my own styles. I love my food dun sa basket pa, sorry. But thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much everyone for being here. I hope you love the collection. And I hope this collection inspires you to dress up as confident as you want. And I hope it you know, you become more confident in terms of styling yourself. And if you find your style too, and don't be afraid to express yourself through fashion. Thank you so much, and of course, thank you so much to my Shein family for doing this. Thank you everyone. Feel free to go around and check out the collection too.
Para we have a photo together, yes? Ayan, nakatalikod ka. Pakita mo yan. Thank you so much.